Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. Today I'm in Southern California and I'm visiting Disneyland. Not Disney World, but Disneyland. I came out to the West Coast on a business trip and I couldn't bring the family. So I got to the left coast and I looked up my good friend, Brownie.
Hey,
the Brownie's with me here today.
We're with the Stranger, and we've got our friend here, Pie Face.
Pie Face. Hi, Pie Face.
Hello.
What are we doing today? What are we getting right now, Pie Face?
Chinese New Year stuff.
Chinese New Year's stuff? I don't
Hear
get
the
it.
music? That's a hint. That's a hint.
Chinese
Music?
New Year's? That's awesome.
Good. Incredicoaster is going. Look, I see it. That's what we're here for.
We're here today to go on to the Incredicoaster, brand new. I haven't been on it. I like California Screaming. Really looking forward to seeing this new coaster. Have you been on this coaster
I
yet?
have been on this coaster. Couldn't wait. Did a single rider. It's the best way to go. Single rider.
We get
Cut
on
your
faster
wait
that
time
way.
down by 2 hours.
We're going to go on the Incredicoaster. All right, it's the Incredicoaster. I'm so excited. Since they took out California Screaming, they revamped this ride. They made it better.
Super excited. At night is the time. Night is the time. You can see the tunnels up here are all lit up.
Yeah. Tunnel time.
Jack's on the ceiling. Jack's in the house. Gotta get your nummy.
How incredible is this?
It's very incredible. But what's even more incredible is the lines moving. What?
Are you excited to see this classic coaster remade? Like what? Are you an Incredicoaster?
Sure, slap our names on it. Oh, right.
Don't feel like waiting in the lines, ride singles. That's the key to get on the ride faster. Incredicoaster time here. Go!
Edna, keep your eye on Jack. No problem, darling. And the baby is gone. Edna?
Dash, go get him!
They're going in. Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Bam! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
The baby has teleported to the...
That's a big baby.
Sorry that got a little crazy. Babies can be unpredictable. Yeah, Mom. Super babies.
Please remain seated until the coaster comes to a complete stop. Remember to gather your belongings. And stay
my goodness, that was so much better than the original. It was so, well, incredible. Yo, Brownie, why didn't you tell me it was so good?
I thought you were gonna say it was incredible! Was it good? You had a great ride.
So it was like meh? Was it like the meh?
I loved it.
It wasn't the meh roller coaster?
It was awesome.
It can't be awesome.
It was incredible.
All right, it was incredible. It was really good. I am so pleased with this roller coaster. I'm glad they updated it. I'm in love. What can I say?
He's in love with the roller coaster.
Thanks again for tuning in to Brownie and the Disney Stranger. And remember, guys, don't forget to walk forward. And shuffle.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.